Okay, guys, you guys want an update on WTO? Guys aren't going to really like it. According to my strategy, this is not something I would trade. I see other opportunities that are much better, much safer. But yeah, the more videos you watch, you'll see when I when I made a video way back, I said let's not try not to touch this stock, right? When you had this big first dead cat bounce, you can see like the bigger the candle down, you usually have a dead cat bounce on the first or second day, and that's really what we had here. We had a dead cat bounce right here, and I know it doesn't look big, but it was a pretty big dead cat bounce from this lows to this high. It was a 150% gain, and as you can see, it kept going down and down. We had a reverse split, 1 for 25 on 9/11 of 2024. So in September, and as you can see, when I look to play this, and I'll look at this and show you guys, your first target is always your EMA 5, 10, and 20. This is your blue band, is your EMA 50. When you're trading a downtrending stock, you do not want to hold long. You don't want to have that hope to say, well, it can uptrend. Most likely not, right? We know the trend here. This is more of a quick trade you get in and out. If you're holding this trade for longer than 2 weeks, maybe anywhere longer than 2 weeks, just take the loss if you're still in and play another setup. That's my honest advice. If you're trading against the trend, you're holding longer than 2 weeks, you need to get out. But as you can see, you were touching this EMA 5 on this candle here, right? According to my strategy, when you have a big move down, you need to wait around 14 daily candles, and then you trade to that EMA 5. So let's see what this stock did. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my gosh. And then to a T, you start buying on the 14th daily candle, and then you had this run up right in here. Beautiful move from here to here was a 35% gain. That's how you would look to trade it. And you always buy towards the end of the day. So your entry would have been right here when this candle closed, right here on this blue line, around 51 cents, and you would have traded it up to over 60 cents on that EMA 5. And would you trade it again? No, because once this target is hit, the algos will short this. The algos will take it down. All this is a reversion of the mean. We know we're going to hit this EMA 5 multiple times before we get to the next level, EMA 10. Think of EMAs as support resistance. So that's really what's happening here. I know you guys aren't going to want this. You guys probably want me to say, hey, I'm going to pump this thing and it can go up and up and up. That's not really how this strategy works. Is I try to look for bottom reversals and catch those quick bounces when a stock is trending down. This is a downtrending stock, and so it's been downtrending because all the EMAs are going to act as resistance here. So as you can see, we don't touch this EMA 5, we come back up to it, and then we just kind of hug it. And there's not much meat to the bones to trade on this, right? It just goes down and down and down, and then we finally touch this 10, and remember, we'll eventually touch the 20, and when we just kind of hug these bands, and none of these were trades because we're never away from the EMA 5 a couple days for me to like it. And you can see how the algo is just magneted to it. Touch the 20 to a T right here, and then goes down, and then goes down, and then touches the 20, and then goes down. And that's really the story of this stock. It's a downtrend stock. So it's going to resist at those EMAs here. So that's my analysis here. I just would not touch it. Obviously, you can get a nice gain out of it if you want. If you just want to get lucky, but according to my system, I just don't really see anything. You can look at like there's big support here, and look at that. We just totally broke this big support. So you're trading in no man's land. There's really nothing hanging on to this. This could keep going down and down and down. When are they going to do another RS? You can look at the filings. Me personally, like I said, if you're holding it longer than 2 weeks, that's pretty long on a downtrend stock, and you just need to get out. Especially when it touches these EMA 20s, that's big resistance. You see how it just does not go much higher than that. It can do something like this, but it gets shorted right back down. If you guys really just want a solid strategy of where you look for these trend reversals and catching bottom plays, there's plenty of plays out there. I just wouldn't stick with WTO. If you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and then description, it'll say join the premium Discord, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to get access to one of the best strategies on how I catch bottom reversals and trading against the trend or trading with the trend on higher quality stocks, make sure you watch my videos. But if you want to join, just hit day trade alerts, and it'll be $12 a month for swing trades and day trades. And then if you just want swing trades, it's just $6 a month. So it depends on your lifestyle, what you want to do. It's very affordable. If you hit service shop or service subscriptions, you can see the 2 memberships. But yeah, obviously I'm going to recommend the Day Swing Trading Plus. Helps me out more, and you'll get more alerts, more education, and all that. And I also do live streams. And if you ever need one-on-one coaching, just let me know. But that's all it for here. This is how I've been doing trading against the trend, playing these kind of stocks, and how my win ratio has been over 90%, catching precise bottoms, because we're trading something that has to happen. Reversion to the mean will happen, and we're looking for extremes. Like when I showed told you about this example here of when price was going to come up to this EMA 5, indicators lag. So when it's dropped really big, we waited 14 daily candles to touch that EMA 5, and that's really what happened. And then we come back down to our journey, right? And that's really all we're looking into. I will say this does have nice volume, but it did dwindle down in this area. So who knows? You guys let me know if they're going to do an RS. I just didn't even bother checking the filings because it's just not a setup I would look into. Right now, we're touching all the EMAs, so we have to do the whole time distance again on the 20, the 10, and the 5. And the KDJ is kind of high. It's just nothing's really looking nice for me. We broke all time support, so we could head lower for sure. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord, links down below. Hope to see you guys. I have plenty of setups that I'm looking at. I'll let you guys know in the chat. But the main purpose is not just to be a signal service, but actually learn how to trade. And I think this is a great start for you guys. All right, happy trading, and I'll see you guys in the next video.